Students, second exercise in our fourth lesson. See here. Avez les animaux donné poser des questions en utilisant le verbe en mot conditionnel. With the given element, ask questions using the verb in conditional tense. With the given element, ask questions by using the verb in conditional tense. So I have to use the verb in conditional tense. Combien d'argent emportez-vous? See the elements is given there. How much money to take you? So I have to frame the questions. So you must make a meaningful sentence using this word. Okay. See the expression how much money. Verb is, it is in original infinitive form ending in er. Okay. So infinitive form you can take it as a conditional stem. Okay. And according to the subject you have to change and write the verb. So all this use elements you have to use the constructor the sentence. While constructing a sentence, the verb emporter should be in conditional tense. So that you remember according to the subject. Combien d'argent emporteriez-vous? How much money could you take care for you? Okay. See the second one. First one. Quel pays vouloir visiter-il? Quel pays? Which country? Vouloir visiter. See the verb which is here having vouloir also verb and visiter also verb. So it is two verb is side by side. So the first verb you have to conjugate. So according to the subject. So try to make a meaningful sentence using this word. Quel pays dash il visiter. So vouloir you have to check and write here. Okay. It should be conjugated in conditional tense. So that you remember. Okay. Vouloir you have a special irregular condition stems that is VOUDR and ending is pronoun subject is IL ending is AIT. Finally, quel pays voudrait-il visiter? Which country would he visit? Would he like to visit? Okay, second one. Combien de temps pouvoir rester à Singapore? How much time to be able to stay in Singapore? 3. Subject is pronoun is 3. Using this all this information you have to make a sentence. See here again you are having two verb pouvoir and rester. Both verb is there. So first verb you have to conjugate. Second verb you can write as it is. See here. Combien de temps dash 3 rester à Singapore? How much time could be able to stay in Singapore? Pouvoir, it is a conditional terms, you have to change it. POURR, it is the stem and according to the three, it is the ending AIS. So, combien de temps pourrais-tu rester à Singapore? How much time could you be able to stay in Singapore? Third one. À quelle saison faire des voyages? Il. In which season could be able to make a trip? So, one verb is faire is the verb here. You have to change this faire according to the subject pronoun ILS. In which season could be or would be make a trip? So, faire partial conditional terms that is FER and ending plural form ending is AIES ENT. Okay, that you remember. Okay, fourth one. Quel souvenir achetez-vous? So what gift to buy for you? So buy is the verb. Acheter you have to conjugate according to the subject and would you buy? Okay, ashate is the infinitive form, keep as a stem, and ending. According to the ending is the subject is woo here, so ending is EIS, is it? And remember that gra aksa you have to write. That you remember. Okay, that is also conditional tense present, conditional presence rules. Ko ravani Chennai al. Revenir is the verb here. You have to conjugate it in conditional tense according to the subject pronoun ELS. Al. ELLE. So, meaningful sentence. Ko Ravi Andre a Chennai. Revenir, you have to change it as a conditional things. So, you have a special irregular conditional tense. So, it will be REVIENDR. That is the stem. And according to the end, you have to subject, you have to keep a ending. So all the verb is here irregular. Remember this verb. It is irregular, so you must remember this verb. Okay, thank you.